Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today's video we're doing another case unboxing. This is a Hot Wheels Case K, and this has the Ferrari F40 in it, so I'm super excited about that. I did see like a couple of other cars, but I tried to like avoid looking to see what's going to be coming out. So it's more of a surprise when I do the unboxing. But before we get started in that, on my merch store, shopemptyparadise.com, I'm currently doing a giveaway that's still active for this Hot Wheel RLC 1995 Honda Integra Type R. You do not want to miss out on this. Hop onto my merch store, and for every $5 you spend, you automatically get entered into the giveaway. And I'm doing some other like little kind of free Hot Wheels in a way, so I have all the rules, regulations, everything on there. So there's going to be a link in the description down below, shopemptyparadise.com. Get entered into this today because it does end at the end of June, so you do not want to miss out on that. So like I said, go check it out. Link in the description down below, or just type in shopemptyparadise.com. But let's go ahead and I'm just going to carefully lay this on its side. Looks like USPS was not kind with this box, and it is all beat to heck on either side. It's probably been tossed and tumbled around, so I really hope there's not damaged cars. But if you guys are interested in picking up cars, I will have these ones on my merch store. If they're heavily damaged, I'm not going to have them on there. But I do have multiple of this case coming in. So if you guys do want to pick up some of these cars in the very near future, I'm going to have even more in case some of these are sold out right away. Alrighty, so let's go ahead, start right up on top and see what we got. Oh wow, right off the bat, heck yeah. Alright, so we have the Alfa Romeo Giulia TI Super, and then we have the Ferrari F40 Competizione. And I've been really excited for that to come out, and I think this is probably one of the most iconic Ferraris. This one is actually in great condition, so that is really awesome. And wow, this casting is huge. It's actually super wide, and I don't even know if that'll even fit on like a standard racetrack. But that is awesome that Hot Wheels and Ferrari kind of made up, and they're bringing back these cars because that thing looks so cool. It's a brand new casting compared to the one they had before. And I just realized this is not the like standard F40. This is like the kind of like track version of it. So it looks like the wing is a little bit bigger and more aggressive. And the hood kind of has, so there's like the bigger aggressive wing. The hood has like the vents there, which you can kind of see better in the picture. And even has like a front splitter with splitter rods. So yeah, it's like kind of like the track spec. So that's pretty awesome. And then we also have a street wiener. Alright, well, these cars are all falling everywhere. They're kind of like all intertangled. Alright, we're good. We have a really cool new color on the 90 Honda Civic EF. We have a drift and brake in the Maserati Shamal. Alright, let's just try to grab some of these out. I'm just going to grab 3 cars that kind of fell. Alrighty, we have the Track DeWagon. The 70 Plymouth Superbird in a cool new red color. I think it looks awesome. And a custom 2018 Ford Mustang GT. And then got some more that were kind of falling out a little bit. Now we have the Kowloon Hypervan, Dune It Up, and a Revenger ST. Oh, heck yeah. Well, there's the Land Rover Defender 90 in a nice cool tan color. We have the mid-mill, but we also have the Chevrolet? I don't know exactly how you would say that, but it's almost like a crazy Corvette race car type thing, but that is actually the treasure hunt. So if you look at the little white and red logo right here behind the rear wheel, that's the treasure hunt logo. You can kind of see it behind the car. And maybe if I can turn it up a little bit. Yeah, there you go. You can see it right there behind the car. That right there is the regular treasure hunt for the K Case. I mean, that thing looks actually pretty crazy. That thing's awesome. Let me know what you guys think about that. And it's luckily, I mean, the case is like beat to heck, but this is in great condition. And so far, the other cars have been in great condition as well. So I'm really hoping that everything stays safe. I'm just going to set that aside for safekeeping. And let's go ahead and move on, see what else is in here. Alright, we have a 89 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG in that kind of silver gold sparkle. Toyota GR86 Cup and a RD06. Oh, okay, that's kind of cool. There's the Haco Type D, and we have the Lil Roar, which is kind of looks like a little Mini Cooper, but like a little off-road rally version. And then we also have the Renault E-Space F1. All right, we have the 62 Corvette Gasser, the Drift and Brake, and Cruise Bruiser. Oh, wow. I was kind of excited about this one coming out. It's the Honda Civic Custom, and we did see that in previous colors and different liveries before, but that kind of red, white, and blue color scheme looks really cool. We have a mid-mill and a Zinger 21C. Oh, something shaped weird. Okay, that's what it is. We have a Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile, 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor, and a Honda Moto Compo, which is actually pretty cool. Alright, we have a 67 Mustang, another Honda Moto Compo, and a Maserati Shamal. Last three for the first half of the case. Ooh, that's a nice pull. We have the 71 Lamborghini Miura SV, another tracked wagon, and a 2015 Land Rover Defender double cab, and I really like that color on that. Looks awesome. Alright, so let's pull out the little divider here and go ahead and get started with the bottom half of the case. Alrighty. So we have another Haco Type D, 62 Corvette Gasser, and a Kowloon Hypervan. We do see some repeats in this case from the last one, but some of them are actually pretty cool. I don't think we got the Super. We have the Flippin' Fast, which is actually kind of like a fidget spinner. You can hold it right here in the middle, and both sides of the car actually work upside down or whatever. A Cruise Bruiser, and the McLaren Speedtail. So this would have been the Super Treasure Hunt. However, there have been times where I've gotten like the standard version and then I still get the Super in the same case. So I've seen that a couple times. I'm really hoping that is the case. And if not, this is actually a cool new color on the McLaren Speedtail. It's like a nice kind of maroon color. So I guess we'll find out, but usually if you see the standard one, you don't have the Super, so hopefully it's not the case, but we'll see. You have the Monter Racer, Porsche 911 Carrera keychain, and 67 Mustang. Oh, these cars are kind of sitting weird as well. Oh, heck yeah. There's a Zinger 21C, Alfa Romeo Giulia TI Super, and we have another Ferrari F40, and that thing looks awesome. Once again, this one has a great condition package, and it's actually kind of surprising, especially with how big they made the plastic. It does shift around a little bit, but everything looks great with this, which is really awesome. All right, we have this one, and I think there's two others up here. Kind of fell out ahead of time. All right, we have a Toyota GR86 Cup, Hot Wings, Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile. Arkham Asylum, I said Asylum. Alright, we have a 68 Lotus Type 49, 71 Lamborghini Miura SV, and Ford F-150 Raptor. Ooh, okay, that's kind of exciting. We got another Lil Roar. We got a Slide Burn. And then we have a Mazda RX-3. It's actually the Mad Mike. And the thing looks really awesome. It's the tuned version as well. So yeah, I think it's really cool. I did see this in previous colors. And I think I really like it in that matte black. This looks really cool. Oh, heck yeah. All right, we have the Crescendo, but we have a Mercedes AMG Petronas Formula One team, and obviously there's the Mercedes AMG F1 car, and you got the Formula 1 right there. That thing is freaking awesome. We have a 2015 Land Rover Defender double cab. Ooh, okay. We have a Speed Driver, a Pontiac Aztec Custom. That's like a new color on that. It's kind of interesting. And another Porsche 911 Carrera keychain. Alright, we have another Hot Wings, a new color on the Volkswagen T3 Custom. That thing's actually pretty cool looking. And then a Gordon Murray Automotive T.50s. We have a Pterodactyl 69 Dodge Cornet Super B, which that thing looks pretty cool. And another Gordon Murray Automotive T50s. And the last three cars of the case. We have the Futurismo, a 68 Lotus Type 49, and the Audi 90 Quattro. And that's actually in a really cool new color. We have seen that in white and blue in the past. I think also red. But it's kind of cool seeing that in gray. I really like that. So, we did not get the Super, but we did still get the regular treasure hunt. And obviously, we got a couple Ferrari F40s, which were really awesome, as well as the Mercedes Formula 1 car. But man, that regular treasure hunt does look pretty awesome. But put down in the comments down below, like, which one of these cars is your guys' favorite. And like I said, don't forget to hop on to shopemptyparadise.com. Get entered into this giveaway today. And a lot of these cars are going to be on my merch store, so definitely go check it out if you guys are interested. They are available, and if it's not, like, as soon as the video goes live, it's going to be, like, very, very soon after. And I do have more of these cases coming, so if you guys do hop on there, see stuff sold out, I will be having more come on in the very near future as well. So definitely check back in. But then as more cases come in, I just update the numbers and get a lot more on there. So definitely check it out. But if you guys did like the video, go down and hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. But as always, thank you for watching.